Welcome to Navotas City Hospital Cooperative, a community-based cooperative built with one clear mission to make quality and affordable health services accessible to everyone here in Barangay San Jose and nearby areas. Our goal is to promote health, unity, and care through cooperative efforts that truly serves the needs of the people. Our cooperative, Navotas City Hospital, was officially established on June 2015. We are proud to be a health cooperative that focuses on promoting wellness and preventive care for everyone in our barangay. Our mission is to provide quality and affordable health services to every family in our community. Our vision is to build a healthy and caring barangay where every member can live a longer and happier life. We also have a clear objectives. The first is to offer affordable health checkups and medicines. Second, to organize health seminars and awareness programs. Third, to give support to families in time of sickness or emergencies. And lastly, to encourage everyone to live a healthy lifestyle. I believe that when we care for one another, our whole community becomes stronger. So, I invite you all to join and support the Navotas City Hospital Cooperative. Together, we can make our barangay a place where good health is not a privilege, but a right for everyone. Join us today and be part of a healthier, happier, and more united community.